Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. Pickup address, contact number, and PIN code. This prevents delays at dispatch. Once done, weigh and measure the parcel in kg and cm because pricing depends on actual versus volumetric weight. Make sure to calculate both. Next, prepare invoice or ID for commercial shipments, declare value for insurance, and choose payment, prepaid, collect, or COD, so the system applies correct rates immediately. This speeds booking and reduces queries. You open the Blue Dart app or portal and enter sender and receiver details precisely, because mismatches cause returns. Then input dimensions, weight, and declared value. Select the service, same day, domestic express, or standard ND+1, since transit choices affect cost and ETA. Once you confirm, print the airway bill and firmly attach the label. Seal the box with strong tape and add fragile markers if applicable. This protects contents and speeds scanning at sorting centers. You either schedule pickup or drop the parcel at a Blue Dart center and obtain a pickup confirmation with docket number. This creates the audit trail. Once in transit, track the AWB. Make sure to set delivery preferences and an alternate contact to avoid failed attempts. If something goes wrong, delay, damage, or loss, contact customer care immediately with the AWB, photos, and invoice so they can lodge a claim and initiate resolution. This documentation speeds compensation and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.